Why are symbiotic relationships vital for coral reef nutrient cycling? Imagine a bustling underwater city where every worker depends on a neighbor to keep things running smoothly. That's what happens in coral reefs thanks to symbiotic relationships. These partnerships are the backbone of how nutrients move and recycle in these vibrant habitats. Corals and tiny algae called Zooxanthellae work together in a way that benefits both. The algae live inside the coral's tissues and use sunlight to perform photosynthesis. They turn carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and sugars, which are like food for the coral. The coral, in turn, provides the algae with a safe place to live and supplies carbon dioxide and waste products needed for photosynthesis. This exchange is super efficient. The algae give the coral up to 90% of the organic material they produce. The coral uses these nutrients to grow, build its skeleton with calcium carbonate, and reproduce. Because of this partnership, nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus stay within the coral and algae system instead of being lost to the surrounding water. Coral reefs often exist in nutrient-poor waters, but thanks to this relationship, they can thrive. The algae take in dissolved inorganic nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus from the water and pass them to the coral. The coral can also catch organic nutrients from the environment. This creates a closed loop where nutrients are recycled continuously, supporting the health and growth of the reef. This nutrient recycling is essential for the entire reef ecosystem. It fuels the growth of corals and provides food and shelter for countless marine animals. Fish, invertebrates, and many other sea creatures depend on the reef for survival. When environmental stress like heat causes corals to lose their algae, this nutrient cycle breaks down. That can lead to coral bleaching and threaten the whole ecosystem. So, these symbiotic relationships are vital because they create an efficient system for recycling nutrients in nutrient-poor waters. This system helps corals grow and keeps the entire reef ecosystem alive and thriving. Without this partnership, the rich diversity of marine life that depends on coral reefs would struggle to survive.